Hi. Okay, this is my first pack opening. I just got this Alola collection Solgaleo box, which is pretty cool. I wanted the Lunala one, but they didn't have any, which is fine. I still like Solgaleo and all of that. So then we'll just open this huge box. I haven't been opening these things long, but this is like the biggest box I've ever had to open so far. I probably literally only started collecting again like earlier this year, and decided it would be fun to film some videos and share what I got. So let's open this. Okay, so the first thing I want to look at is this pretty cool Solgaleo figurine. Normally these are okay, but this one's like, it's really nice. The paint job is really good. Then we got all the stars in the forehead, the third eye there. It's pretty cool. And then they got these new GX cards that should be coming out later, probably next year. They're really nice. They're pretty much almost like EX cards, slightly different. Then they got this cool Solgaleo pin, which they always make their pins really nice. I have a cork board and all the pins I've ever got are stuck up on there. So that will be going on there too. Then we got some promo starters. Let's see, we got Poplio, which looks really nice. Not a lot of light to work with. We got Litten, which I chose and as my starter. Rowlet, which looks really nice. These foil designs on the back are like really different. They almost kind of look like they've been put through a washing machine in your pocket because they're all have ripples. And then we got, let's see, evolutions, 2 evolutions, Fates Collide, Steam Siege, and Breakpoint. Let's see. Alright. Oh yeah, and the box also came with a code card, which I don't play online, so someone can have that there. And then if you like, you can let me know what you got. That'd be pretty cool. So first we have the Breakpoints pack. Let's see. It's a code card. And here we go. Oh, I saw something really at the end. So we have Bayleaf, Sudowoodo, let's see, Mawile, Honedge, Shinx, Spritzy, we got Glameow, Slowpoke, Reverse Timpole, or Timepole, I'm not sure which it is really. And then an Espeon EX full art. That is so awesome. I don't have this card. I don't go online and get cards. I kind of just buy packs and hope that I get something that's rare. Well, this is really awesome. It looks really nice. The texture is different in the back than most others I've seen. It's kind of like scales almost, like that same kind of pattern, like a crocodile. So I'll put that there. Then I'm gonna open the first Evolutions pack, which I really like. When I started getting cards, I was a little kid, and these reprints look amazing. bring back old memories. Alright, there's a card for you guys. Let's see. Pidgeot Spirit Link. Kakuna. We got Energy Retrieval. Charmander. Rattata. Diglett. Ghastly. Caterpie. Reverse Revive. And Eradicate. Nothing too interesting there, since they all kind of feel like I've seen them all before, but still fun to open. Right, there's a card code for you guys. Then we got, oh sorry, this was Fates Collide, by the way. We got a Shuckle, Last Special, Wheezing, got Burmy, Bronzor, Binnacle, Snubble, Riolu, Snivy, and Team Rocket's Handiwork Full Art. Wow, this is really nice. It's got like diamonds as a texture in the back. I love this. Brings back memories too. The original bad team, Team Rocket. Then we got another Evolutions pack. I swear they make these more difficult to open every time. There's a code card. Hopefully you can read that. Let's see. We got Magmar, Switch, Maintenance, Tangela, Voltorb, Fairy Energy, which I think is cool that they added. I don't see why they wouldn't anyway. Then Onix, Staryu, Reverse Poliwag. That's another thing about these evolutions reverse. They look so different, like compared to other cards. Because the more modern cards have like the energy symbol in the back. These are just like really plain and seem really clean. I don't know. I really like them. And then an Electrode. Not too bad. I like the Poliwag. And then finally, Steam Siege. Let's see what we get in here. Here's a code card. Having a Zoom arrow, and my stupid cat is in the back. I'm just kidding, she's not stupid. I love her. Zoom arrow, Special Charge, Rapidash, Chimchar, Rufflet, Shellos, Clauncher, Meowth. I can never really tell what this Meowth is freaking out about. Something like a flower caught fire? Something, I don't know. Reverse Larvesta, and then a Hoopa. Huh. It's not a holo, but it's still pretty neat artwork there. The thunderstorm in the back. Alright. Then I'll just see. Get together everything that I thought was pretty fun. Because most of these cards I've gotten already, except for the ones that are really rare. And I don't know about how most people feel about the reverse cards, but I really like them. I mean, anything that's shiny is really nice. I think everyone likes shiny things. Okay. Alright, so let's see. So we got a Time Pole, Reverse, Revive, Trainer, Snivy, Poliwag, Larvesta. I didn't get anything that was rare. They're all like common. And Team Rocket's Handiwork, full art, is really nice. Espeon, EX full art, very nice. The Rowlet Hollow promo. These new cards, they're also different at the bottom in the layout here, which is pretty neat. See how that compares. You know, it's different. I kind of like the older cards a little bit more, but we'll see if they keep going with that theme. We have Poplio, Litten, and the Solgaleo GX. I'm kind of surprised they didn't also include, like, normally they include like a normal EX promo, but not this time. I guess because they prefer it to be a GX and they aren't releasing those yet, so I don't know. Pretty nice. Either way, I think that was pretty okay pool. Got 2 really rare cards out of 5 packs, I think it was, which was okay. Seems kind of low to me, but it was still a lot of fun. So thank you for watching, and then I'll probably have another video next week. Let's Play will be coming out soon. And thank you for watching.